Happy video day, guys! So today's video, I have a fun one, and it's a different one because actually I was on Honest Beauty's website and I was gonna place an order. I wasn't sure what I wanted to get from Honest Beauty, but I knew I wanted to try the brand because they're supposed to have like very natural ingredients. Everything's supposed to be like very natural and good and healthy products. Honestly, the thing that really inspired it the most was because of the royal wedding, and they said that Meghan Markle was wearing a lot of products from Honest Beauty, and I just keep hearing Honest Beauty, and I know it's a brand owned by Jessica Alba, the celebrity, and I really wanted to try it. I don't know, I never knew what to try, and then I went on the website and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna purchase a few things, but I couldn't decide what I wanted to purchase. And then I saw they had like this mystery box, and I was like, you're speaking to me. What little mystery are you hiding from me? What's in that box? And then I saw there was like a cheaper version and a more expensive version, and I was like, I think I'm gonna buy a mystery box. And that is what I did. I purchased the mystery box. So I have no idea what is inside of this box. If you guys are new here, my name is Christina Brooke. This is the GLAMRANCH. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of the GLAMRANCH family, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss my videos. So if you guys are interested in seeing what is in the Honest Beauty mystery box, let's go ahead and let's get right into it. Yes, I did. Hey guys, this is Christina from the future coming. I actually filmed this unboxing like a week ago. As you're gonna see, I was very excited about a lot of the stuff that came in this box, but I wanted to film this video now because I just finished doing my first impressions on a lot of the products, that at least the makeup related products, and when I was editing the video to go ahead and link a lot of those products, I started to notice that on the Honest Beauty website, a lot of the products that I got in this box are no longer on the website. So I was kind of a little confused. I found a few of them at Target, and doing a little bit more research, I found out that it looks like Honest Beauty went ahead and they redid a lot of their packaging, and a few of the products that actually came in this box are repackaged and changed. The only reason I'm telling you guys this is because it kind of bothered me a little bit, because I didn't think going into purchasing this mystery bag that I was purchasing a mystery bag that was going to contain some items they were going to be changing, and like changing the design on the outside and also changing the colors, and I didn't know going into this that I was going to be purchasing those products. I thought that I was going to be purchasing products from the brand, like their current products, you know, like I was going to be trying things that they're selling right now, not things that they were trying to liquidate in order to change the packaging. Anything that you guys see in a silver metal looking packaging is different from their website now. Now it's in like a white plastic packaging. I honestly think that the older packaging looks more luxurious than the new white packaging that they have on their website. I feel a little disappointed. I feel kind of like, oh, so then that was why it was such a good deal. Like, I'm kind of confused, and I feel bad because it's not like I don't think some of these products were good, because you guys will see in my first impression. I just kind of feel like I wish that it would have been said somewhere there, like when you're buying. I don't think it did. I don't remember seeing anywhere when you were buying the mystery bag that some of these items are going to be changing in the next week or two. You know, like I don't remember seeing anything saying that. I'm a little bit upset, I'm gonna be honest, and it's weird because I'm upset only because I like to try new things for you guys, and I feel like I just got like a bunch of stuff that is changing. Like, that's what I feel. I feel like it's almost like I feel like I got the stuff that they were trying to get rid of because they were bringing in the new packaging, the new designed ones. Thank God I got a coupon. Thank God I got a coupon, and I got this for very little money. But I'm a little annoyed because I show you guys this stuff, and then you guys are gonna be like, well, what? How did you just get that blush that doesn't even exist anymore? And I wanted to make sure that you guys know that I just finished getting this a week ago, and it's not on the website anymore. I called Honest Beauty to find out, like, are these the same? What's going on? Were you guys just giving me liquidated products? I was so confused. So when I talked to Honest Beauty, I will tell you that the representative there was extremely nice. The girl that I spoke to was really, really nice. And I explained to her everything, and I told her that the call was not because I want a refund, because that's not what I want. I don't want a refund. I just wanted to express the fact that I thought it was very strange that a week after they finished selling this beauty bag, which I'm pretty sure they're no longer available, they went and changed everything. And I thought it was kind of just like, what the heck? You know, a lot of people are, if they did buy this beauty bag, this one time 8 or 4 product beauty bag, they're going to be a little bit, you know, shocked to find out that a lot of these products are no longer on your website. So she did explain to me that the product itself has not changed. So the formula of a lot of the products didn't change, but the packaging did change. So she told me if it would be good for her to send me a list of all the products that I received and what their corresponding new product name is. I will put a list in the description box of all of the new names of the products, but they are the same exact products that I was assured by the Honest Beauty team that the products have actually not changed the formula. They just changed the packaging and some of the names of all these products, but all these products still do exist. So I will also link to the product that is their new product in the description box so you guys know. Everything will be nice and clear for you guys, but all right, let's get into the video. So I could have sworn that one was like $29.99 and then the other one was like $49.99, something like that. And so I decided to go with the more expensive one because, like I always am, I went online, I went to Retail Me Not, I found a coupon that saved me 20%. So I ended up getting it for like $40, and then it was so close to the $29.99 that I was like, well, for $10 more, I can get the bigger one now, and that is $10. Honest Beauty stuff is pretty expensive. So I was like, that's just like one product more, and considering that they're giving you like 8 compared to like 4, I think I'm gonna win by getting the coupon and getting the more expensive one. So I ended up getting the one that comes with 8 products. When this came yesterday, I was like, I'm gonna open it and I'm just gonna look at everything. And then I said, no, I'm not gonna look at it because I want to catch on camera my reaction. I didn't want to spoil it. I didn't want to open it, and I've been dying to open this thing. I've been staring at this thing like I want to open you, and I swear, guys, I didn't even peek. So it comes in, look at this, look how cute, guys. Wow, look at that. That's really cute. So this is a little baggie that comes with all the products. So let's see what I got. I'm actually really excited, guys, because I think this was such a good way for me to try the brand, because I'm sure in these packages they probably put like their best sellers, and it's probably a better way than for me to just like randomly pick things. So let's see what they sent me. Oh, so excited. I guess I like subscription stuff, like, you know, like beauty subscription boxes. Like, that's why I love BoxyCharm, because I have no idea what they're gonna send me, even though I see the spoilers. Like, I really like these things because it's kind of fun. And like this one, you have absolutely no idea what's in it. It was called like mystery bag. I think they still have it. If they still have it available, I'll link it below so you guys can do it. And I think I just did it like a week ago, so they should have it available. If not, I'll tell you guys below. I'm gonna open this up and we're gonna look at what we got here. So I'm gonna grab the first thing that I see here, and this is called the Honest Beauty Refreshingly Clean Gel Cleanser. So we got a gel cleanser in here. How nice is that? A gel cleanser. That is fun. I actually like gel cleansers. What I can't stand is balms. I can't stand balm cleansers because I feel like they don't cleanse. Ooh, look how pretty this is, guys. Look how nice that is. So this is the gel cleanser, and you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to throw the retail price up here for each one of those, and then we'll add it all up and see what the value was to see if this mystery box is worth it. So the next thing that I see here is the Younger, Clearer, Nourishing Lotion. So we got another skincare item here. It's a nourishing lotion, and what exactly is that? Created to comfort skin undergoing acne treatment. It has hyaluronic acid to provide a lightweight, airy feel while replenishing vital moisture stressed looking skin. So I guess this is so if your skin looks like very dry, you can start using this. Right now my skin is not very dry, but it is an interesting product. We'll see what I'm going to do with this guy. And of course, some of these products, if I feel like it's not going to work for me, maybe I'll save them for you guys for a giveaway. But this looks like an interesting product too. Let's see, I want to see some makeup, guys. All right, so what do we have here? We got lipsticks. We got 2 lipsticks, right? They're stuck together. Okay, so we have the Truly Kissable Lip Crayon, okay? And this is in the color Sheer Blossom Kiss. I wanted to try these. Yes, guys, I wanted to try these. I'm so excited. I actually was gonna buy one of these. They're lip crayons. Look how cool that is. Oh my god, and it's like a glossy, oh, that's a pretty color too. Oh, I'm excited. I wanted to try this so much. Oh, these are beautiful. Okay, so I got one of those, and it's in Sheer Blossom Kiss, which looks like it's a perfect summer color, and it actually has like a peach undertone, which I love peach lipsticks. You guys know that. I always wear them. I'm wearing one right now. So the next thing that I got is a Truly Kissable, another lip crayon. Really cool. And this is in Sheer Chestnut Kiss. So this is in a different color, but it's the same thing. It's like one of those lip crayons. Ooh, okay, so this looks like it's a darker tone. Let's put it right on top. Actually, you know what? It looks lighter. They look very similar. But yeah, it just looks like that. It's very pretty. Actually, yeah, one has more like a yellowy undertone and the other one has more like a pinky undertone, like a pinky peach. They got two of them. That's really cool. Because I don't think that these are inexpensive. I am putting the prices up, but I don't know the prices right now. But I think they were pretty expensive when I was looking at them. Ooh. Okay, so then we got another facial product. This is called the Honest Beauty Even Brighter Everyday Moisturizer. Ooh, I like that. So this is an everyday moisturizer. And it has vitamin C in it. Oh, I'm excited about this. Oh my god, look how pretty, guys. Look how nice that is. These are full-size products. That's really, really, really nice. Okay, so what do we have here? This right here. Ooh, yes, I got one of these too. I wanted to try this too. Okay. So this is the Creme blush. This is the Creme blush. I wanted to try this because they did say Meghan Markle used one of these cream blushes, I think, during the wedding. It was one of these things, and I was actually interested in this. Look how pretty that is. I love that color. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. That is so freaking pretty. Okay, interested. I'm super interested in that. Okay, so we have two more products. I feel like I've opened so many. I'm so excited. Ooh, a Truly Lush Mascara Lash Primer. So I have a lash primer now. I actually don't own a lash primer. I don't know why, I just don't. But that is really interesting. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. Okay, so it looks just like beautiful casing, like I said before. And what's this? Okay, so this is the lash primer. Oh, is this lash primer and mascara? Shut up. Lash primer and mascara. Oh my god, so it's a 2-for-1. I love that. I love that. Oh my god, how cool is that? What do we have? Last product is, what is this? Ooh, a luminizing powder. That is cool too, guys. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. Open. Beautiful casing. Oh, that's really pretty. What is this though? Look at how pretty that is. I think this is just like a face powder. Midnight Reflection Luminizing Powder. Silk gives skin an instant healthy glow, evens tone, brightens complexion, enhances natural color. So this is okay. So this is the total of every single thing added together. Obviously, it is a lot higher than what I paid for this mystery box. And I have to admit, it looks like it's pretty nice because I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 5 products that are makeup related, and then I got 3 products that are skincare. But the skincare products, like, these are not samples, guys. These are huge, big, nice products. So yeah, so you guys know I will be having a full face of Honest Beauty products that I will be trying out all of these different products for you guys, and we'll do a first impression together and we'll try them together another day. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you guys were thinking of purchasing this, now you guys know. And if you don't get to do it this year, if they release it next year, then you guys will know too, or if they release it again, you guys will know too, and for sure I will let you guys know if I hear about it. But this was pretty, I honestly think that I got some really, really cool stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you guys like this video. And yeah, leave me your comments below. Let me know if you guys were thinking of purchasing this, because yeah, this was pretty cool. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
Yes, I did.